Good morning. What time right now? It's 12. I told my daughter to come and help, and I'm gonna chop the vegetables, and you're the one's gonna cook now. But I know the video is late. I didn't think about earlier about video, taking video for her. So kind of late, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna still show what she's doing. All right. So that's what I got. This is what she's trying to cook right now. Beans. That's the one. That's paliyat. Hi.
Hi!
And I told her you have to wear the safety glass for your eyes.
Well, actually, I didn't.
Okay, now you get the beans and load. Alright, get the beans. That's the one that you cook. That's in beef.
Okay. That's a lot of beans.
Mm-hmm. How old are you?
10. About to be
10?
11.
And then
So close.
you want to learn because you're gonna get married soon.
No, just so I can feed myself when you guys are on vacation.
You can what?
So I can feed myself while you guys are on vacation. I'll be on my own vacation.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's the reason why you want to learn.
Yes, because I'm going to Wisconsin while you guys can stay here. I'm going to Wisconsin. I'm gonna live there.
Okay.
I think a little bit too much
Makes
beans.
it good.
A little bit there.
Now you cover it.
Right. Or just like flatten.
You don't smash it. You
I smash it.
cover it. And then you do it.
We're gonna put some water and then put
Why
some
you
soy
wanna
sauce.
put the water? Why you wanna add the water?
Because it looks a little dry.
Okay.
So we're just gonna add water. Of course it's gonna evaporate, but it will still slowly put it in, so it just slowly, right? Right? I'm getting it everywhere.
Alright, that's it.
We'll
And
just
then
mix it a little bit to help it get wet.
what else do you have to load?
And then put some soy sauce. Looks like coffee or soda.
Coffee or soda.
Imagine that, putting soda in here.
So who's gonna eat?
Probably brother?
You.
So here it is. So now it's gonna be a little bit softer because we put water in it. Sooner or later I can
You
put
know how mixing you have to touch different area. I watch you post only in the same area. There you go.
and if it all evaporates quickly, I'll put some more water.
You move the pots, it's not on the plane.
Oh, you can? Now I'll leave it to cook. As you can see, the meat's already cooked. I'll just flatten it a little bit. Why not? Okay. It should be cooked sooner or faster. So guys, we did add a little bit of water, but as you can see how it's evaporating and the steam and, or we could say smoke is coming out. It's almost ready to cook. Right? I'm gonna do this. Like, oh, failed. I'm not that good at it.
Well, it scared me.
That scared me too.
Oh my gosh, the cook it. Take it easy. You need to learn because someone, the other one's gonna cook for us.
If you're still there, you can cook.
Hey, where is your ring? I didn't see it. Uh-oh. Ah, go get it before we remember where is that. Where is that now? Don't tell me you lost it. Go get it first. Yeah, leave it there right now. Go ahead. Oh. I told you before, do not remove. Where are you? Let me see. Oh my God. Very good. This woman always remove her ring.
Because I don't want to lose it in the bed like I lost my earring.
No, you don't.
I lost my earring once. In the bed.
Good thing I watch your camera, huh? Video. Where did you put it?
Close to my Bible.
So serious. Oh, she eat. It takes so long.
Could need a little bit more.
Okay.
Now we'll just leave it to cook a bit more.
So, what happened?
Well, it tastes good. It tastes good, except we just need it to be a bit more softer.
Okay. All white then.
So guys, now that I got the beans are kind of hard. So I'm gonna make like some gravy.
Kind of dry.
Yes. I'm gonna use it with cornstarch.
Right.
Here.
Don't know.
Oh. Cornstarch.
What you gonna use? Fork? Spoons? Get the spoons. You don't have to remove it.
I did.
You sure easy for spoons? Come on, get the spoons. Oh my God, I'm hungry. This cook, it takes so long to get done.
A spoon. That spoon.
Get the metal one.
Oh yes, a big one.
Take it easy.
No, too much. Ay. it's sticking.
Ay, the camera. Sorry.
Maybe it's a bit
Then mix it.
with the spoon. I think this spoon is a bit too big for it. Looks like milk. You could trick someone and make it look like milk.
Now ready?
Look at my hand, guys. They're filled with powder.
You make it more whiter.
Hey, I got a prank. We could use this and prank this with Dad.
For
And
what?
then we can make it look like milk, and we can give Dad milk. Not milk, and then he'll drink it and he'll be like, ew. We should do that.
Look,
We'll do that in the next video.
look at listen. Yes, we're just thinking.
No, oh no. Was that hair? That is hair. There's hair in the food. Look, there's hair in the food. Look, guys, there's hair in the food. There is hair in the food. There's hair in there.
Have you noticed that you are always in the same area?
No. Did you hear? So guys, it's been a
Time for checking.
while and it's time to check. Oh yeah. It actually looks good. Oh,
Ay,
it's hot. I want to eat that one though.
you use the fork.
It looks tasty. Everyone eat it every time. Come on. Got it. I got a fish from the sea.
So hot. You blew it close to me here.
Oi.
Oi. You poison all of it. All of us. I'm just joking.
Hot. But good.
Good. So, done or not? Not yet.
I think it's almost done. We just need to wait just like maybe a tiny bit more.
Okay.
Oh, here, let you try it.
You don't mix it. Mix it first. There was spoon to that. Spatula. Be careful.
Hey viewers, would you like to try some of this? Come to our show. Come to our show. Something Walmart. Just joking. Don't come.
What are you talking about?
We'll never show up. Oi, it's
No, come on.
Mom. Would you like to try?
No, when they get done. And just let it sit. Make it more softness.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna spread it out a bit more. It's starting to look a bit more wet, but that's how the green beans get softer. So we put these in, we wait for a little bit, and we'll see you guys when we start eating this. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna check it, and then after this, we're gonna start eating, and we're gonna show you guys how our expected of it tastes. Now, let's check it out.
You scared the smoke? What happened to you? You open, you like to run.
So, guys,
Where's your fork?
it looks good.
And
And
then,
since it's really good, I'm gonna turn this off.
what? Turn off? Is that off? Alright, it's off. Now you know what to do. From now on, you're the one's gonna cook for us.
No.
Right. It's a ball? Good or not?
It's good.
Okay. Yeah, where are we now? Ready to?
Eat.
Alright.
Okay, guys, I'm excited to eat this. So, guys, here is the full thing. So, here it is. You guys can have a look. Now, it's time for the real thing. We're tasting it full on. Itchy. So, let's go on. Come on. It's hot. I keep on having to blow. It's good but hot.
Then eat your rice. Is that good? You sure? I can eat too?
It is not poison.
Okay. So, what
But-
can you say for your ending?
Wait, do you guys want to have a bite? Check. There you guys go.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and click that notification bell if you want to see more amazing and fantastic videos. Bye!
You like beans? Good job. Now you're gonna cook now from now on, right?